Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration.
A vibrant, colorful, hyper-realistic image of a charming blue house with a welcoming front porch. The house features a deep teal blue siding with white trim. A rich, autumnal orange door is framed by a wreath. Hanging planters overflowing with vibrant red geraniums and other flowers adorn the front facade. A simple wooden bench sits under a window with white trim, with a colorful flower garden extending along the porch. A variety of flowers, including yellows, oranges, purples, and whites, fill low planters at the base of the porch, adding depth and texture. The garden beds are filled with a mix of annual flowers in different shades and varieties. Outdoor patio, fire pit, wooden pergola, string lights, cozy, evening, hyper-realistic, dark gray wicker furniture, stone fire pit, with burning orange flames, natural stone patio, various shades of brown and gray, lush green trees and foliage, warm golden yellow string lights, wooden beams, comfortable seating arrangement for relaxing, ambience, evening atmosphere, romantic, detailed textures, soft lighting. Modern, hyper-realistic, lakefront house at twilight, dark gray and brown facade with large glass windows, outdoor patio with comfortable wicker furniture, overlooking a calm lake, illuminated by warm ambient and LED strip lights, steps leading down to a water feature, lush, dark green trees and foliage, distant mountains, calm water, smooth reflections, rich tones, detailed textures, sophisticated and elegant design, glass railings, fire pit, wooden deck, natural light, exterior lighting. Peaceful atmosphere. Hyper-realistic Japanese Zen garden, gravel path leading to wooden gazebo, flowing water features, dark gray and muted brown stones, wooden structures, lush green trees and foliage surrounding the space, gentle waterfall, calm and serene ambience, shallow water channels lined with dark pebbles, wooden walkway steps leading to a simple, wooden gazebo, natural light filtering through the trees, soft lighting, subtle color palette, peaceful and meditative atmosphere, detailed textures of the wood, gravel and water, accurate representation of natural elements. Photorealistic garden scene, Japanese style. Dark gray slate stone pathway meandering around a koi pond filled with orange and red koi fish. Dark gray and brown river rocks and pebbles surround the pond. A small waterfall features in the pond, splashing into the water. Lush greenery, including bamboo and other tropical plants, border the pond and walkway. A dark wood pergola or gazebo structure, with a gray outdoor seating area, is situated at the back, beneath a dark gray umbrella. Warm sunlight filters through the greenery, illuminating the scene. Muted greens, grays and earthy browns are the dominant colors, the koi fish add pops of orange and red. Modern home exterior, landscaped yard, hyperrealistic, large windows, contemporary architecture, gray stone facade, dark gray pebbles, gravel, concrete pavers, pathways, greenery, various plants, shrubs, reddish-purple foliage, Japanese maple, lush foliage, full sunlight, natural light, calm and peaceful ambience, metal bowl or planter, trees, shrubbery, well-maintained garden, stonework, walkways, meticulous design, clean lines, outdoor living space, modern design. Photorealistic, bright natural lighting. Modern, hyperrealistic garden path, rust-colored metal planters, light gray flagstone pavers, lush greenery, various trees and shrubs, brick building with large windows and metal accents, bright, sunny day, path leads to a modern home with a brick facade and large windows, metal planters, varying in width and length, mixed textures of plants and stones, some boxwood or similar low shrubs, various grasses, and leafy plants, natural sunlight, clear shadows, balanced. Composition, carefully designed landscaping. Modern Japanese-style home, hyperrealistic, large glass windows overlooking meticulously landscaped gardens, dark gray and black exterior home with light wood accents, lush green foliage and bushes, pathways of light gray paving stones leading to a wooden bench, rocks and gravel garden design elements, soft warm golden lighting illuminating the garden and walkways, evening scene, trees, shrubs, and flowers, detailed textures of plants and materials, calm and serene atmosphere. Sunlight filtering through the leaves, realistic shadows and reflections, clean lines and modern design, high-quality render. Hyperrealistic, modern home exterior, sunny day, lush landscaping, brick facade, dark brown roof, light beige walls, dark gray/black stone pathway with gravel, multiple rectangular planters/water features with flowing water, various greenery, including bushes, shrubs, and grass, white hydrangea flowers, trees and foliage in the background, wooden fence, natural light, mid-century modern aesthetic, detailed textures, clear sky with some white clouds. Modern, contemporary home exterior with a landscaped yard, hyperrealistic, a two-story home with a dark gray facade and warm-toned wooden accents. A mix of succulents, agave, and other drought-tolerant plants are arranged around large rocks and a path of light beige stepping stones leading to the front door. The yard is mostly covered in dark gray gravel. The sky is partly cloudy, light beige/gray in tone. The house sits on a slight incline with a view of foothills in the background. Focus on the intricate detail of the plants and rocks, the texture of the gravel path, and the architectural details of the home. Hyperrealistic desert landscape, modern stucco home with a light brown roof, desert plants and cacti, a pathway of large, light beige flagstones, large rocks of various shades of gray and beige, various types of succulents and cacti, vibrant colors of orange and reddish brown, golden grasses, saguaro cactus, sunlight, mild blue sky with fluffy white clouds, gentle sunlight, mountains in the background, natural rock formations, peaceful, minimalist design, detailed textures on plant leaves and rocks, realistic shadows, wide shot, outdoor scene, arid climate. Photorealistic backyard patio, modern design, gray stone patio. A natural rock-lined water feature runs along the grassy area, large shade structure, dark gray and black outdoor furniture with orange throw pillows, lush green trees and landscaping, artificial grass, warm sunlight, focus on the patio seating and landscaping, detailed textures of the stones, plants and wood, realistic plants and foliage, wooden deck or patio, architectural details of the house in the background. Natural tones, peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. Hyperrealistic modern house exterior, sunset, pathway with light gray concrete pavers, leading to a modern home with dark gray walls and light wood accents, large glass sliding doors, lush landscaping with various grasses, like pampas grass, drought-tolerant plants, and low-maintenance shrubs, soft blue-gray succulents, warm golden/orange light illuminating the plants and pathway, trees in the background, subtle golden hour lighting, meticulously landscaped, well-maintained garden, focus on the pathway and house, a tranquil and inviting ambience. Modern, contemporary, hyperrealistic home exterior, sunny day. Large, two-story house with a light orange/brown wooden facade and dark gray stone accents. Large windows, a covered entryway with a stone and wood walkway leading down to a patio area. Landscaping is a key feature, filled with various succulents and cacti in a variety of colors, yellow, orange, green, gray-purple, drought-tolerant plants well established in the ground and in planters, creating a vibrant and textured garden. Terracotta-colored patio or decking. A grouping of outdoor furniture with beige/tan tones, also creating a sense of relaxation and space. Photorealistic outdoor garden scene, colorful flowers in rustic wooden barrels, mix of pink, purple, orange, yellow, and other multicolored flowers, daisy-like flowers, lush greenery, aged, weathered gray-green metal barrels, dark brown, rustic wooden planks as backdrop, warm lighting, impressionistic, detailed shot, focus on the flowers within the barrels, flower-filled barrels with vibrant hues, shallow depth of field, multiple flower varieties in barrels of varying sizes, standing against a weathered wooden wall.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.